Welcome to AsyncCode. Hi there. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more great content. A match statement in Python is a powerful control flow structure that allows you to compare a value against multiple patterns and execute code based on the first matching pattern. It's similar to a switch case statement found in other programming languages but more flexible. You define the match block with the keyword match, followed by the value you want to check. Inside the block, you write multiple case patterns, each representing a condition that may match the value. The code associated with the first matching case is executed, and the rest are skipped. You can also use wildcards, like underscore, to match any value or use more complex patterns, such as sequences or class instances. This feature makes code more readable and concise, especially when dealing with multiple conditions. This example is a simple Python program that suggests activities based on the current weather condition. It uses a match statement to compare the value of the weather variable, such as sunny, rainy, cloudy, or snowy, and assigns a corresponding activity, like going for a walk, staying indoors to read, or building a snowman. The program prints out the suggested activity based on the weather. If the weather does not match any of the predefined conditions, it provides a default suggestion to check the weather and plan accordingly. The goal is to offer a helpful recommendation based on real-world weather conditions. We are simulating a program that responds based on the weather condition. The match statement allows us to execute code depending on the value of the weather variable. Weather is a string variable that holds the current weather condition. Type string str. This variable stores the current weather condition. Here, it is set to rainy, but it could be updated to other weather conditions like sunny or cloudy. Match statement compares the value of weather against several possible conditions. Depending on which case matches the value of weather, it will execute the corresponding block of code. Match expression. The match statement evaluates the value of weather and executes the code block that matches one of the cases. First condition: check if the weather is sunny. Case expression. This checks if weather is equal to the string sunny. Activity is a string-type variable. It stores the suggested activity based on the weather. Here, if it's sunny, the activity is go for a walk in the park. Print function. This prints the value of activity to the screen. The result here will be go for a walk in the park. Second condition: check if the weather is rainy. Case expression. This checks if weather is equal to the string rainy. Activity is assigned a new string value if the weather is rainy. Print function. This prints the value of activity to the screen, which will now be stay indoors and read a book. Third condition. Check if the weather is cloudy. Case expression. This checks if weather is equal to the string, cloudy. If it's cloudy, the activity is set to go for a jog. Print function. This will print go for a jog to the screen. Fourth condition. Check if the weather is snowy. Case expression. This checks if weather is equal to the string, snowy. If it's snowy, the activity is set to build a snowman or go skiing. Print function. This will print build a snowman or go skiing to the screen. Default case. If the weather does not match any of the above, this will be executed. Wildcard case expression. The underscore symbol is a wildcard that matches any value that does not match the previous cases. If none of the above conditions match, we suggest checking the weather and planning accordingly. Print function. This prints the default suggestion. Check the weather and plan accordingly. Now run our code. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Like, comment, and subscribe.